This is the easiest hair growth oil that you can make at home. In this video, I will show you how you can make your own onion oil for hair growth, and believe me, this actually really works because onions are rich in sulfur. It can help your hair grow healthier. We'll be using 2 medium-sized onions, some fingers of garlic, coconut oil and olive oil. First of all, you have to dice your onion after washing. You can see I've peeled it right now and washed it before I started dicing. So you have to dice it into tiny pieces as much as you can. And if you have grater or blender that can do dry blending, then you can also blend it there because I want all the juice to come out from it. So I will just dice it first of all. So let me add that this onion oil is ideal for every hair type. So whatever is your hair type, whether it's a 4C hair, African hair, for Caucasians, wherever you're from, this oil is ideal for you, except your skin or your scalp is the type that is allergic to onions. Other than that, for every hair type, this is ideal for you. Onion oil helps the hair to grow because it improves circulation to the scalp. It strengthens the hair shaft. It reduces hair fall or hair breakage, whatever you call it. It supports a healthy scalp environment. When your hair has all of this, definitely to do better. I want to ask, have you tried this oil before? Let me hear your thoughts in the comments. Like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. Now, after dicing the onions, you also dice the garlic. The garlic, I actually use just a small portion of it because I don't want the smell to overshadow that of the onion. You know, garlic has a stronger smell and I don't want that on my hair, so that's the reason I decided to just use small fingers of garlic. So I transferred this to a manual grater, or some people will call it a manual blender, whichever one you call it, and I grinded them because I want it to be in smaller pieces. So this is what it looks like after the manual blending. So the next thing is for you to pour your oil. So this is my olive oil I'm pouring into the pot, after which I added my coconut oil. This is the coconut oil. So I poured everything into the pot. So at this point, after adding the oil, you're supposed to turn on your gas for it to start heating before you decide to add the onion into it, the blended mixture. Let me just call it that, the blended mixture into it. So you leave it to start simmering. Please, low heat. Don't make it a very high heat. It should be a low heat, as you can see. Then I'm just stirring it because I don't want just one part to get the fire. So I just wanted the heat to reach every part of it. There's something I observed. If you decide to heat yours to be this white, it has a stronger smell than when you allow it to get brown a little. So I decided to leave it to get brown a little. Then I transferred to this sieve because I wanted to be able to press it. I don't want to waste anything. I don't want anything to remain. So I needed a place I will squeeze it. You will notice that the color of the oil was more yellowish until I squeezed and squeezed. So that's the reason it started getting a little brown. But later on, I will show you what I did. I did some separation method. I will use this one for now and I will use the other one later. So this is what it looks like. Then I decided to get my container and transfer it into the container. So depending on what you used to get the oil out before, please, if you're transferring, be careful. Just don't be in a hurry so you don't spill it. So this is what it looks like. You see that it looks more browny. It looks more brownish here, so I allowed it to settle for some time so I can be able to get that more oily color. I don't want this very brown look, though I didn't still throw away the other part. So now it is settled and I transfer some part of it. You will see that this is lighter than the first one. So yeah, this is my onion oil and it's ready. If you use this my method, you're not going to add anything anymore because the smell is not bad because I allowed it to get more brown. So guys, if you're yet to click on that subscribe button, please smash the subscribe button, like and share to your friends and family. Thank you.